Looky here, team. Brand new out of RedApple. Buddha shells, 5-inch XL canisters. Let's get this unboxed and let's open this up. Let's check it out. Yes, sir. Oh boy, am I stoked right now. I haven't unboxed this yet. We're gonna unbox this together. But let's just admire all the artwork. Buddha shells, 5-inch XL canister shells from RedApple, made in the USA. Down here we got the specs right here. 24 shells, 4 fiberglass tubes, skyburst tails in mines, very loud, display levels, low, mid, and high, shell length, 5-inch shells. Got the warning label, shoots flaming balls with reports. Carefully read other warning on top of panel. On top of the panel. Right here. Shoots flaming balls. Do this. Use under close adult supervision. Yup. For outdoor use only. I hope so. Place launcher upright on hard, smooth surface. Unwrap long fuse on shell. Put shell into tube with arrow pointing up and fuse extending out of the tube. Light fuse and get away. Don't do this. See this? Don't do this. Don't do that. Don't hold it in your hand. You'll see guys holding it in their hand. Yeah, don't do that. Ultra dangerous. But let's admire this artwork. Admire the artwork. These are real photos that Mr. Doug takes with his own phone. Warnings, some more warnings, warnings. Shoots flaming fireballs with reports. Item number R9624. Let's get on the back. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in here. What's inside? 24 XL canister shells and 4 fiberglass launching tubes. Let's take a look at these. You can pause the video so you can take a look at them. Just gonna quick look through them. Skyburst tails, skyburst shells with mines. Wow. Look how nice this thing looks. Look how nice this looks. Spin it over. See the cans in there? Look at this. Wow, this is so nice. Great job, RedApple. RedApple's always good with their artwork in their boxes. But yeah, let's get this opened up. Let's check this out. What's in here? More warning labels. Get a glimpse of that. That's what's in there. More warnings. And thank you for choosing RedApple Fireworks. All right. Let's get this going. Okay. Here's all the shells. Open these up. Buddha shell. Fiberglass mortar tubes, clay plug, wooden base. Okay, here's all the 24 shells. They're, as you can see, they're all numbered and labeled for effect. 1 through 6, 7 through 12, 18 through 13, and 24 through 19. Let's go ahead and check these shells out. How big are they? They're just under 5 inches. Plastic top right here. And got that clear tape on the bottom. Here's a shell. Here's one of them. Like I was saying, Here's everything: 1 to 6, 7 to 12, 18 to 13, 24 or 19 to 24. Let's get these all thrown into the rack. Okay, so here we got all 24 shells of the Buddha shells, 5 inches from RedApple, all fused up in the milk crate rack. Same as the last time, last 4, I got them fast fused, so they'll all go up at once, but I'm using slow fuse today. This time around, this is slow fuse, 25 to 28 seconds a foot. And once again, I left a long fuse at the front so I can light it and get away. You know what, I'm gonna prevent some fuse jumping. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these up real quick, close these up. Okay, here we go. Brand new 5-inch Buddha shells from RedApple. Let's see them. Ooh, yeah. All right, let's check it out. Any leftovers? Oh, sir. They all went off. Yes, sir. Brand new 5-inch Buddha shells from RedApple. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Appreciate everybody for watching. More content, more videos coming out soon. But everybody have a great night. Thank you very much. Yes, sir.